You're a moron. What's going on YouTube? This is Jedi Ranger from his workshop, but not today.
I'm the caffeinated shredder.
And this is our podcast, question mark?
Yes.
Whatever the heck this is. We're just going to be talking.
Yeah.
In the background, I'm playing Lego Star Wars: The Complete Saga on the Xbox One.
And I have a little dog that's complaining.
I have a not-so-little dog that's not complaining and is just kind of chilling here.
Okay, the question is, what are your top 5 dream guitars?
I can't hear you. Sorry. The dog is being loud.
What are your top 5 dream guitars?
Dream guitars.
Okay, bro.
How about... That can be both our question. Why don't we... So...
Want to do 1 and 1?
We'll do 1 and 1.
Okay.
So for my number 5 pick, it's one that I honestly kind of want to build. I want to take a Fender Strat, a white Fender Strat with a hardtail, rosewood fingerboard, and all the normal stuff for a Strat. And I want, it'll be a black guard, white body, HSH, 1 volume, 1 tone, maybe a kill switch. And that can be just a nice guitar to have. Seymour Duncan, neck, middle bridge, all that fancy stuff. And I actually do intend to build that one.
So I have a list, and I'm trying to remember what it is because I can't see it because I'm using my camera. But I believe it is a Strandberg Bowden dog. Strandberg Bowden True Temperament. So it's just better intonation. Yeah. Okay, what is your 4?
My 4th, I haven't really thought about a whole lot. Probably a Squier Paranormal 12-string Jazzmaster.
Huh. Mine would probably be the Sophie Lloyd signature Kiesel with the Sustainiac and the tip shot tremolo.
I don't know what that is, but it sounds cool.
Like
It's what you said. It's a Kiesel, so I can imagine it's very Kiesel-y.
Yeah, it has a light up kill switch.
Is it purple?
It is purple.
Is it sparkly purple?
No.
Okay.
It's like a stain.
Hmm.
You know the one that kind of like has that natural like on this bevel.
That's like all Kiesel Slam. That's like all the Kiesels can have a natural on the bevel.
But then it has this Sustainiac.
Got it.
And a kill switch.
Okay. So are we on to my 3rd?
Yes, your 3rd.
I kind of have to think about my 3rd, I'll be honest. Pearl, can you just not? Like, please? If I had to say... Honestly, once I finish Project Cutting Edge to its fullest extent, that would probably be my number 3. Because I love that guitar. It's awesome.
I actually forgot what my number 3 was. But I'm pretty sure at either my 2nd or my 3rd one was a Schecter E1 with a Sustainiac and a Floyd Rose in black.
But for my number 2 pick, I'd probably go with the Les Paul I'm going to build with all the crazy wiring and stuff with a modified pedal chain.
What's a modified pedal chain?
So effectively my own... You know those like stereo pedals that I showed you that I kind of wanted to start making?
True.
Yeah, that's what I mean by a modified pedal chain. So it's all stereo so I can keep everything separate, which sucks, by the way. How I'm going to fit all that in a normal pedal enclosure, I have no idea. We'll figure it out when we get there. But yeah, that Les Paul. So it's going to be a Les Paul with pretty ridiculous wiring. If you watch my channel, you might eventually see it.
Mine's probably an what is it called? Ibanez Axion label.
Okay. Is it on my number 1 pick?
What? Yeah, it's on your number 1.
All right. This one I don't think I'll ever own because it's going to be ridiculously expensive to custom order it. It'd be an Epiphone Casino in sparkle purple with probably split parallelogram inlays just because I like those.
Mine is a Hagstrom Phantomin and worn denim with like a blue burst.
Yeah.
The only
That's
thing,
fair.
if I change anything about it, I'd probably make it with black hardware, like place hardware with black. But I wouldn't do that unless I can custom order it because the knobs are like
Yeah, you want
the
the real
custom
ones,
knobs.
the cool ones. Yeah, I get that. Well, one thing I do have to say before we end this here is your style is very different from mine.
Yeah. So that is, and now, please, you know, comment if you like this style of video. This is the first time we've done it.
Oops.
For the 4 people that watch it, tell us.